What do pizza and M1 Finance have in common? Stick around to find out. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. If you're new on here, we talk about all things relating to building wealth, finances, and investments. I'll be doing my best to explain those topics without the added jargon. I'll also be giving you guys an inside look into my M1 Finance portfolio that I've just started so you guys can follow along as the account grows. As part of that insight, I'll be giving you guys monthly updates so you can see what stocks I'm invested in and the type of returns I'm seeing. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support really helps me to stay accountable and stay engaged. We're a new and growing YouTube channel, and I'm looking for people to join the Building Wealth tribe. In this episode, we'll be going over M1 Finance, what it is, and what I currently have invested. I'll show you why I think it's the best entry-level investing platform out there. Hey guys, when you log into M1 Finance, this is the page you'll see. This is my current portfolio with the current value I have at $377.37. To the right of that, you'll see your total gains and return percentage on your account. Further to the right, you'll see the current cash balance you have to make investing purchases, and below that you'll see an auto invest feature. Auto investing is just that. You can set a recurring amount to get deposited into your account either by week, day, or month. Moving down the page, you'll see this pie chart. This pie chart is a representation of your total portfolio. Within this pie chart, you'll see different colors. These different colors are the individual slices. To the right of that, you'll see the slices that make up your portfolio. Other than Berkshire Hathaway, and we'll get back to this, you'll see that my pie is made up of funds and individual stocks. The two funds I have are the Vanguard Total Stock Market and the Vanguard High Dividend Yield. Aside from that, the companies that I have stocks in are Shopify, Franklin Resources, Tesla, Nucor, Bar Harbor Bank Shares, UGI Corporation, MSC Industrial Direct Company, Omnicom Group, Realty Income Corp, Community Trust Bank Inc., Eastman Chemical Company, and Raytheon Technologies. If you guys want me to do a deeper dive into why I chose those individual companies, please leave a comment down below and let me know which one you're interested in. Moving along in the website, you'll see the Activity tab. The Activity tab is just that. It shows all your deposits and withdrawals and trades that have been made on your account. As you can see here, part of the power of M1 Finance is that it can do automatic investing. All you have to do is set the percentage of your pie regarding the individual slices you have, and it'll buy the stocks for you. My most recent purchase here was on May 1st. I had 38 buys for a total value of $219.47. The next tab we have here are holdings. What you saw in my portfolio were slices and Berkshire Hathaway. Berkshire Hathaway is actually an expert pie that I had chosen to add to my account. I'll show you that in the later part of this video. But as you can see, I currently have 38 individual stocks or funds in my account that make up my total portfolio. The next tab we have here is funding history. This shows the amount of deposits or withdrawals you made. One thing about my account is that I'll just be making deposits to this. I'm in this to grow my account, and I'm not looking to withdraw any money as of right now. And the last option is your bank connection. Aside from their investing account service, they also have different services that you can see. M1 Finance also offers a spend feature, which is an all-digital bank account, and it includes a physical debit card that integrates seamlessly with your portfolio. They also have M1 Borrow. M1 Borrow is basically loans that you can use to fund your account. Because I'm transferring money from my bank account and I don't believe into going into debt to make investments, this is not something that I'd be doing. Research. So this is M1 Finance's research tab that allows you to look at market news. On the left, you'll see the three different markets and their current gains or losses. S&P 500, 0.24%. Dow Jones is up 0.03%. NASDAQ 100, up 1.12%. Moving along, you'll see stocks. So stocks are individual companies, and in this research tab, you can take a look at their price history over 1 year, 2 years, 5 years. You can see their price to earnings ratio, and there's a bunch of filters on here that you can use to help inform you when deciding what type of stocks to buy. Funds. So unlike stocks, funds are made up of multiple companies, and that's the real difference between this. Aside from the pie analogy that M1 Finance had, I don't think there's been a more intuitive way to look at this. My pies. So your pies are your actual portfolios. So when you click on here, you can see that it takes you to your current portfolio, which shows you the type, all the slices that you've seen on your main page. Expert pies. Expert pies are basically investing templates modeled after some of the biggest companies, and it's as easy as adding it to your pie. For example, hedge fund followers. You click on this, you'll see some of the biggest hedge funds, including Berkshire Hathaway, which I have in my portfolio. These are modeled after the biggest hedge funds. And so if you click on Berkshire Hathaway, you can see that it's made up of multiple slices of companies, and there's a little description on here saying that this Berkshire Hathaway fund was run by the legendary investor Warren Buffett. And finally, the watch list column are stocks that you can add to your list so that you can track their performance over time. Hey guys, thanks for watching. That's all there is to it. That is my M1 Finance overview of their website. If you are looking to open up an account, please use my referral link, as it gives both you and I $10 to use towards our future investments. In the beginning of the video, I asked what the similarities between M1 Finance and pizza were, and the answer is pie. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. See you on the next one.